Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I am testing out the cameras on the Galaxy Z Fold5. This is in 4K at 60 frames per second. I don't know if I'm gonna do a full camera review or just, 4K footage, but we're going to start off with 4K at 60 with 10 times the zoom and all the way back out. Yes, I'm at my little park with a drying up lake. Like, look, I live in Texas. It has been 105 degrees since the middle of June, and we might have rain for one day out of those 60 days or however many days it's been. So I'm shocked that it even has this much water in it. But how does everything look? How does that sound? I know everything looks dead. You can say it, yes. It does look dead. The grass is dead. The water, I won't say the water's dead, but the water's drying up. Look, the ground. And yes, I'm just holding the camera, walking around and talking, but I'm enjoying the Z Fold5 so far. It's been really good. Let's see if we can get this thing to overheat too. But I'm gonna come back with 4K at 30. Until then, peace. All right, so this is 4K at 30 frames per second on the Z Fold5. I can zoom in up to 12 times zoom. Not bad. Go all the way back out. And then I even have access to the ultra wide lens. Check that out. Yes, it is a hot day in Texas. Clear skies like normal. But how does everything look? How does that sound? How's the stabilization? Because again, I'm just holding the phone, walking around the little park. I might change the area for the next part of the video. But look, this little part used to connect to that part, and now it is drying up. It kind of smells. Look, baby girl is up there. But look at that ground. What y'all think? How is the colors? Let's see if we can overheat the phone too. But we got some green in there. They really must be getting their water deep down, because I don't know how they green, but look, the grass is tall over there too. But I'm gonna come back with the front facing video. We can see how the front cameras do too. Until then, peace. Okay everyone, so this is portrait mode on the Galaxy Z Fold5. Yes, I'm using the rear cameras to do this, but I'm using the front, the main display, to actually keep me in frame. I don't know what y'all think. Does it look pretty good? Is it really blacking out, or doing a portrait mode video? I don't know. I think it looks okay. I need to put it on a computer to actually see it, but I don't know what y'all thought about it, what y'all think about it. So you can use the cameras and use the front display as a viewfinder, but it is so hard to hold the phone and do that. But I just wanted to do this little part of the video, test it out. It is hot in Texas, so just wanted to come in here and try the portrait mode video. Stay tuned, I'm gonna come back and do 4K at 60 on the front cameras too. Peace. Okay everyone, so this is the front facing camera at 4K at 60. I'm gonna use the rear camera also to shoot 4K video, but I wanted to test out the camera on the cover display and see what type of footage you get with 4K at 60, which, I mean, it should be good. And you should be able to like stream with this or even vlog if you wanted to. But how does that look? How does everything sound? It is, again, hot in Texas, so it is a bright day. I'm in the shade right now, but definitely a bright day in Texas. The phone is a little warm too, but shout out to baby girl in the background. I'm just holding the camera, walking, and not trying to fall. But I'm gonna do 4K at 30 too using this camera. And then maybe I'll just do like a 4K video test. Little baby girl. But stay tuned, I'm gonna come back at 4K at 30. Until then, peace. Okay, everyone, so this is 4K at 30 frames per second on the Z Fold5. What y'all think about it? How did I look? What y'all thought about the 4K footage from the rear camera? Y'all let me know what y'all think about it, but maybe I should do 4K at nighttime too. Maybe I'll add that to it. So it'll be just a whole 4K video. But they really didn't do much to the cameras this year, but they do have the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. Maybe they're doing more with the computers. But the video seems to be a little bit better than what you would get on the Z Fold 4. But maybe not as good as the S23 Ultra though, but it's not bad. Now holding the camera up, the sun is right in my face. Just totally in my face, so hopefully I'm getting myself in frame right now. But y'all let me know. I'm gonna come back with the rear camera and do a portrait video like this too, or you know, front facing video. But until then, peace. Okay everyone, so this is the rear camera in 4K at 60, and I'm using a viewfinder, you know, to do this video. But the only problem I have is that it would be so awkward to hold this phone like this all the time. I wish I had another camera to show y'all how I'm holding it. So it would be really difficult and almost look dumb walking around with your phone like this and talking. That's why at least they have the 4K at 60 on the front camera. And it should do pretty good video. But what y'all think about this? But stay tuned. I'm gonna do nighttime video in 4K at 30 or 60 just to give y'all, you know, a little bit more coverage on the cameras. Maybe you do a lot of 4K video, maybe you don't. But I want to try it out so we know what you're getting into when you buy this phone. If you have the phone, let me know. Too, we can have a friendly discussion. Are you liking it? Are you enjoying it? And again, how did I look? How did I sound? Shout out to Michigan. Go blue. But stay tuned. I'll be right back with the nighttime video. Peace. Okay, everyone. So this is the Galaxy Z Fold5 in 4K at 60 frames per second at nighttime. Yes, I'm at my famous Big Lots. And there, I should say Planet Fitness now, because there is Planet Fitness. We can do 10 times zoom. Yeah, say workout at all night. I mean, all part of the nights here. I don't even know if that closes. I think it's open 24 hours a day. I mean, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. But there's Walmart across the street. We can zoom in there too. But what y'all thought about the whole video? I know it's just 4K video, but what y'all thought about it? How does everything look? How did everything look? Is the cameras good on here? For a folding phone, yes, the cameras are really good. You know, I know we always have that discussion about folding phones getting better cameras. I wish they would put the S23 Ultra cameras on here. But for what you get with the new Snapdragon processor, it does a really good job. Hopefully, it's not too bad right now with the wind. But at nighttime, it does a pretty good job. Again, I just do these nighttime videos just for y'all, because I don't go film at nighttime really. I don't have kids playing sports. I don't really go outside. I mean, out late at night or partying or anything like that. So I don't really film at nighttime in my personal life, but I do it for the videos. I'm gonna come back with 4K at 60 on the front. Until then, peace. Alright everyone, so this is 4K at 60 on the front camera. Yes, I'm using the external display. This camera, I'm not using the one on the rear. But this is in 4K at 60 on the Z Fold5 at nighttime. But what y'all think? What y'all thought about this whole video? Y'all rate the cameras for me, please. I like doing this video. I'm gonna just do in 4K. Might come back and do some photos later on. But look at baby girl is baby girling right now. I gave her a nice wash a couple days ago, so she is looking good. But again, how does that sound? How does everything look? Let's see look at the sky. Does a really good job. I'm really enjoying the phone so far with my Z Flip 5. So I have both of them pretty much all the time and been rocking with them. Android and Motorola Razr Plus in there too. So, but what y'all think about it? Yes, I'm just at this little shopping center walking around. People are at the gym. But y'all let me know what y'all thought about it. If y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold5. Also follow me on Twitter /X. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.